Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will learn about birds. You must have seen birds flying around your house and in the sky. Students, do you know their names? आपको उनके नाम पता है? Today I am going to take you to the magical world of birds. Students, birds have two wings and beautiful feathers. And the wings help birds to fly. Now I am going to teach about different birds. This is a pigeon. The pigeon is grey in a color. Sparrow. Sparrow is brown in color. Students, sparrow is a common bird. This is a parrot. Parrot is green in a color. Parrot beak is in a red color. Parrot likes to eat chili and guava. This is a manna. Manna is a common bird. This is a crow. The crow is black in color. This is an owl. An owl comes out of its nest only in the night. This is an ostrich. It is the longer and fast runner bird. They can't fly. This is an eagle. Eagle flies very high in the sky. This is a peacock. A peacock looks very beautiful. Peacock has very beautiful feathers. Do you know, students? Peacock is our national bird. Now students, take out your Picture the World EVS textbook. Open page number 13. 13. See students, come on, speak with me. Birds. Birds. Pigeon. Pigeon. Sparrow. Sparrow. Parrot. Parrot. Manna. Manna. Crow. Crow. Owl. Owl. Ostrich. Ostrich. Eagle. Eagle. Peacock. Peacock. I hope you understanding very well the name of birds. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.